The creepiest unsolved mysteries from the dark web. The dark web is full of mysteries, but some are so disturbing they've never been solved. From strange disappearances to eerie messages, let's explore the creepiest unsolved cases lurking in the shadows of the internet. Mystery 1. The vanishing of a dark web user. In 2015, a Reddit user known as uThrowaway29 posted a chilling message. "I found something I wasn't supposed to. If I disappear, tell them I was onto something big." Then they were never heard from again. Before vanishing, they claimed to have accessed a hidden dark website with classified government files. Their posts hinted at military secrets, underground experiments, and high-profile figures. Some believe it was an elaborate hoax, while others think they were silenced. Could someone really be watching, or was it just paranoia? The truth remains unknown. Mystery 2. The Unbreakable Code. In 2013, a user on a dark web forum posted a strange, encrypted message. It looked like a mix of Latin symbols and random numbers. But here's the catch. No one has ever cracked it. Hackers, cryptographers, even AI systems have tried, but the meaning remains a mystery. Some speculate it's a dead man's switch, revealing secrets if its owner disappears. Others think it's an invitation to an underground group. What if it's something far more sinister? A message meant for someone or something that understands it. Mystery 3. The origins of a disturbing video. A disturbing video surfaced on the dark web in 2016, known only as the ghost tape. It shows a masked figure whispering in an unknown language, flickering lights, and unsettling static. In the background, you can faintly hear someone screaming. There's no metadata, no upload history, no original source. Some say it's a ritual, others claim it's a warning, and a few believe it's AI-generated nonsense. But the real horror? The original file name translates to, "They are watching." Who created it and why? No one knows. Mystery 4. A real-life crime with dark web ties. In 2018, a man named Ethan Caldwell went missing after telling his friends he was meeting someone from the dark web. He was never seen again. Months later, his laptop was found, wiped clean except for one file. That file contained only GPS coordinates to a remote forest. Authorities searched the area but found nothing. Some say it was a simple disappearance. Others believe he was lured by something, or someone, far more dangerous. Is this a tragic coincidence, or proof that the dark web is more than just stories? The dark web holds secrets we may never understand, but some mysteries might still be waiting to be solved.